Manufactured and developed in Switzerland, Powatec's UV300 UV LED flash exposer is a highly sophisticated device with a high degree of automation. It was developed to meet the highest customer standards. Usually, the UV exposer process is performed after dicing of the wafer to reduce the tape adhesion when picking the die. The device can expose wafers up to 300 millimeters with its corresponding frame, with a very high degree of process repeatability. Compared to mercury vapor lamps, the device is immediately ready to operate when switched on. Using only a narrow bandwidth of 365 nanometers in the UVA range, neither harmful ozone nor dangerous mercury gas is generated during LED exposure. The UV300 is capable of ensuring a homogeneous energy distribution of plus or minus 5% over the entire irradiation surface using software, controlling each individual LED through several driver modules. The dosage recommended by the UV tape datasheet can be selected in single digits of millijoules per square centimeter, and energy quantities of 75 to 1,200 millijoules per square centimeter per exposure cycle are achieved within only 1 to 3.5 seconds. For customer-specific needs, it is possible to stretch the limits to dosage levels of over 10,000 millijoules per square centimeter. Oxygen has a tendency to inhibit the proper reaction of reducing the tape adhesion under UV irradiation. This may have an effect especially on small and fragile die structures during the picking process. Therefore, the UF300 always comes with an integrated nitrogen purge, which distributes a small quantity of nitrogen evenly over the wafer surface only during UV cycling. This reduces the concentration of oxygen over the area of the UV irradiation. To perform the exposure, the substrate is placed on the UV transmissive glass plate. Once the lid is closed, the exposure parameters can be set via the 10-inch display. Alternatively, the operator can directly select from a previously saved configuration favorites list. The nitrogen purge can also be selected. Various status information is displayed for instant process feedback. After exposure, the substrate is immediately ready to be removed. The UF300 is optionally expandable with an additional software package. It includes a calibration device which automatically compensates for the deterioration of the LEDs over their lifetime by periodic adjustment of the forward LED current according to the effectively measured light energy quantity. The software package also includes a log file which makes all process parameters available and various functions such as creating a list of favorite configurations. This Linux-based device is API-capable and can be integrated into the Fab IT environment or can be integrated as a UV light engine module into a larger machine. The high degree of automation, the extent of internal process monitoring, and the variety of available real-time process data makes the Powatec UF300 a product that is in high demand internationally in semiconductor manufacturing environments.